Hi, welcome back to our next training session. I am Hitendra Kumar Shah, CGMP Compliance Consultant, Trainer and Auditor from NADH plus JXP Compliance Services. And today we are going to discuss about the FDA inspections. My dear friend, today's training is based on whole information shared by the FDA. Okay, so please be with me so that I can explain you all the things with respect to the expectations of FDA, and this is a brief about the FDA information. So this is issued by the OAI office of FDA. OAI office means Office of Inspections and Investigations. This office is by the FDA. So this is issued by the FDA. That is very clear message, right? So who does FDA inspects? So basically FDA inspects and assess domestic and foreign regulated firms. Now why FDA is inspecting the domestic and foreign manufacturers? Because to determine the compliance. To determine the compliance with applicable laws and regulations such as Food and Drugs, Cosmetic Act, FDA and C Act. For this purpose, FDA is conducting the investigations or inspections, right? Hope this point is clear. This is given by FDA, okay? So I am just sharing this information to you so that you will understand in a better way. Now, FDA has shared the different types of inspections. What are the different types of inspections? See, many people use multiple terminologies for the sake of the business. But if you evaluate overall, there are only 4 types of inspections. First is the surveillance inspections by the FDA. Second is the follow-up inspections. Third is the for cause inspections. And 4 is the application-based inspections. So many people will, consider the types of inspections like, the gap inspections, mock inspection. These are the internal inspections which are used to evaluate the compliance of the facility. But if we are discussing about the FDA performs or conduct the 4 types of inspections. Clear? So these are the types of the inspections given by the FDA, right? Now let us discuss about what FDA inspect during the inspections. What FDA inspect during the inspections. So this is very clear here, right? So FDA inspects human and animal foods, human and animal drugs. So remember that whatever the GMP you need to follow for manufacturing of food or drugs meant for human being, same precautions, same precautions or same requirements are there for if you are manufacturing for the animals, right? Then medical devices, biologicals, tobacco products, cosmetics and radiation emitting electronic devices. All these type of when the products are manufactured for FDA, either it will be manufactured in US or it will be manufactured out of the US, FDA will inspect. And what type of products are focused? Human and animal foods, human and animal drugs, medical devices, biologicals and tobacco products, cosmetics and radiation emitting electronic devices. These are all the products are under the FDA focus, right? Hope this point is clear to all of you. Now let us discuss about the inspection process. So what is the inspection process? Inspection process is very clear. Firms that manufacture, processing, packing or holding of a drug product, regulated product are subject to FDA's regulatory authority. So the point here is the people or the companies who are manufacturing, processing, packing or holding of a FDA regulated products. Now what are the FDA regulated products? Just now what we discussed, the products are meant for the human food, drugs, tobacco products, medical devices, biological products, electronic emitting devices, all the products. If you are manufacturing, then FDA will inspect the facility. Now, a FDA inspector inspects a firm to enforce regulations and verify regulatory compliance. This is the purpose of the inspection. So, whenever FDA is inspecting, FDA inspect the firm to enforce regulatory and verify the regulatory compliance. Right? So, how is the strategy? Strategy is very clear. Following the inspection, the FDA investigator initially classifies the firm's compliance level as NAI or VAI or OAI. Simple, right? Final classification is determined by the appropriate FDA Center of Compliance Unit. So FDA is having a separate unit. One is who is doing the investigations. They are called inspectors or investigators, and another is a compliance unit. So initial classification will be NAI, VAI or OAI. However, the final classification will be done by the compliance unit, right? So now what is meant by this all, right? This is the question. So this is what I explained here. Again I am telling you this is all given by the FDA. I am just explaining you, right? So NAI means no action indicated, very clear. So no any action is required. Okay, you are already in the compliance, but you need to remain in the compliance. That is your responsibility or the manufacturer's responsibility. So this is what here means there were no objectionable observations found. However, discussion terms which could result in future observations, if not corrected, may be shared with the firm. Okay, so this is the meaning of no action indicated or NAI. About VAI, voluntary action means voluntarily you have to take action. Means the investigator discussed objectionable observations at the end of the inspection. Based on the nature of the observations and the firm's commitments to voluntarily correct deficiencies, an official action indicated classification is not warranted. Please remember, is not warranted. Usually the facility issued a form 483 at the conclusion of the inspection. So when there is a NAI, there is no form 483. While when we are discussing about the VAI, the 483 form will be issued with the observations, right? This is the difference between the NAI and VAI. Hope this much is clear. Now let us discuss about the official action indicated. So what is the official action indicated? Very simple. Firm is not in compliance. So if any company got the OAI, please remember this is alarming to that company. OAI means firm is not in compliance and must make a preventive or corrective actions. Here also the 483 form is issued. But here this is more important, and that is the reason FDA has marked this. You can see this, right? So these are the three categories of the observations shared by the FDA. Basically, when FDA is auditing, you can see here FDA is writing, giving some point. Inspection represent a snapshot in the time and do not result in permanent classification. So basically inspection is only the snapshot of the organization, that at what extent the compliance level is. It is not a permanent thing, right? FDA does not endorse firms and approved or unapproved. So basically FDA does not endorse any firm that this is approved or unapproved. FDA only categorize that NAI, VAI or OAI, and because it is only the snapshot in the time FDA is not giving any permanent classifications. It is just a snapshot, right? If you need to know more about this, so you can take the screenshot of you can scan this and you can go through this website given by the FDA, so that you will get more and more information. Hope you understand all these points, right? If you have any questions, please you can put in the comment section. Thank you so much, and ensure all time compliance. Thank you so much.